Hi guys, so today I want to share with you how to create a YouTube banner using the Canva app. Let's dive right into the video. So this works both ways for both free and paid Canva. You search for YouTube banner templates and click on the plain folder. Then you head over to Google or any of your search engine and type in the YouTube banner size template. There you're going to see different template, but that one I clicked on is what I would advise you to use. After then you upload it on your Canva, then put it on your empty frame, yeah, like that. Then you try to make it fit the entire space on the white frame. Clicking on element, I typed in peach, but you can decide to use a white background. So that is going to be like the background for our banner. So yeah, me I like peach, so that's why I'm going to be using this template. So you try to make it fit that black size on the frame. Yes, you try to make it fit the entire size. After that you delete the background, then we can start editing. So for my YouTube banner, I'm going to be using this image that I already uploaded to Canva, and I'm going to try to remove the background, which I can do on Canva. Yes, so I remove the background and try to make it fit into my banner size image. Yes, making sure that there are no images outside, they all fit perfectly into the banner. Yeah, after that I duplicate it, then I reduce the transparency of one of the images. After that I place it behind the very obvious images while still maintaining the space that we have for our banner. And next is our text. I click on title and write what I would like to have on my banner. Yes, we have like the creative nightclub. Yes, after that I expanded it. Then let's not forget that I changed the color to white, yeah, to fit with the color I have on the banner before. Yes, after that I place it behind my images, then I reduce the transparency. Yes, like that. Then I go ahead to include the other text to the banner. So if you need more details on the fonts I used for the entire banner, yeah, I think I used about two to three fonts. Yeah, I would be sharing it in the caption. Yeah, so this was the initial font that I used other first, then in the course of the video I found another font that I used. Yeah, so I tried to align it to fit properly into the frame, and I did that for the other text as well. So the other font I use is the seasons font, and use the shrink head for the other font. Yeah, so I use season and shrink head for my two fonts. So this is how it looks like. Then I go ahead to group the entire text, then align it to fit properly on the banner. Next is the logo. To do this I click on element and then I type subscribe. Yeah, you can type on the subscribe button, yeah, so it brought out different images to use. I went through them and I picked one that caught my eyes and included it and positioned it properly on the template. Then I included a bell as well. So please, if you're watching this and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means so much to me. Yes. And after that I said I wanted to include my Instagram handles and TikTok handles as well. So to do that I head over to Elements again and typed in the specific logo that I wanted, and that was Instagram and TikTok logo. So just in case you don't like the logos that you find here, you can head over to Google or any of your search engine and search for the logos. And if you're having problem removing the background, you can just upload it here on Canva and click on the remove background. thing that we have here on Canva. Yeah, I actually shared that at the beginning of this video. After that, after I placed my logos, then I go ahead to include my my handles, and that is the full stop creative nightclub. Yeah, and that is it. You have your banner ready for use. Yes, so don't forget to follow me for more videos like this. And in my coming video, I don't have an Instagram intro, so my next video, watch out, I'll be sharing with you how to set up an Instagram intro video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Love you.